I have experience of losing some of my own creations while just storing them in my pocket without giving much care. This is what I came up and started calling a self-locking sheath as an extra safety measure to prevent it from happening. Sheath is shut closed by its own weight, hence called self-locking sheath. And to draw, insert your finger into the bottom hole and then push upwards. I start by estimating the required size, including the 1 cm of seam allowance, by draping the handle with some scrap fabric. Coincidentally, I happen to have a perfectly sized scrap piece of denim at the time. The fabric is then further reduced down to the desired size by carefully removing the threads one by one. Any remaining fibers are then trimmed off. It is then folded in half and basted while keeping everything flat. I then overcast the raw edges with buttonhole stitch. I pick stitch the top opening in the center to fuse the layers together. Four holes near the opening are made with a 5mm awl, then again hemmed with buttonhole stitch. Seam allowances are marked with chalk, then the denim is closed shut with backstitch, leaving approximately 1.5 inches of the bottom opening for a finger hole. It is finished by threading a cord through the holes. The sheath is tied to the belt or belt loop and stored in the trouser pocket.